Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators. Today, we are exploring an amazing AI tool you may have heard of, ChatGPT. I'll show you how to use it to make lesson planning faster, easier, and more personalized for your students. Whether you teach first grade or high school seniors, ChatGPT can help. Hi, I'm Govindaraja Kariyappa. Planning engaging and effective lessons can be exciting but challenging. ChatGPT simplifies this process, providing fresh ideas in real time tailored to any grade. In this video, I'll walk you through creating lesson plans using ChatGPT by screen recording live examples.
We have to open the browser which is installed in our laptop or desktop. Just type this particular URL chatgpt.com and press enter key. The moment if you press enter key, here there is an option called login option. Just click it on this login option. Then there are multiple options are available for logging in. The easiest way to select continue with when you click it on this Google, it will ask you to enter your email ID. After entering your email ID, directly the ChatGPT will take you to the interface level. Here, this is a place where we can enter our prompt to generate a lesson plan. I have made some standardized lesson plan format here readily available. Just I will copy paste it to this particular uh, interface. And if you see the prompt, design a 40-minute detailed lesson plan using Bloom taxonomy. As per the Bloom taxonomy, we have to create a lesson plan. And here the topic, which topic we are going to give it. And here I have mentioned photosynthesis in biology. You can give depending on your subject. The topic should be very specific, and the topic you are able to cover it in that particular 40 minutes. And for the grade level, the which grade, 11th, 10th, 9th class, the classes you have to mention it, and then followed by the student. And after the student, we have to give a some reference. Reference means here from where we are going to create a lesson by referring the NCERT textbook or by referring the state syllabus or by referring the some private publication. And then followed by the different parts of the lesson plan, like whatever you are planning to include it, like activities, what you are planning, remembering, understanding as per the Bloom taxonomy, you have to mention the remaining parts of the lesson. Now, here the ready-made prompt is available. Just I will copy paste it. This particular prompt is able to generate a lesson plan within a 30 second. 30 second. Just I will mention it here. Uh, the lesson plan form. This particular lesson plan is able to generate the lesson as per the Bloom taxonomy on the topic that was mentioned in the. If you see the Bloom taxonomy is there, then I have mentioned the photosynthesis in biology for class 11 standard student as per the NCERT book. Here you may give us as per the particular state syllabus or as per the private publication, which textbook are you going to refer? We can mention it. And here remaining as per the Bloom taxonomy, I have mentioned the different level of lesson. This is a submit button. When you click it on the submit button, within less than 30 seconds, the ChatGPT is able to generate the lesson plan. Go through this lesson plan. Here, the duration is there mentioned. What is the objective? What you are going to uh, mention in that particular lesson plan and introduction. Then followed by. Even the more interesting thing is the 40 minutes is divided by ChatGPT. Within 5 minutes, you should able to cover the introduction, then followed by what the remembering concept. As per the Bloom taxonomy, the ChatGPT is divided even the time also. If you go through in detail, this particular lesson plan is able to give a clear picture about how we are going to cover the topic what we have mentioned in the prompt within the duration of the 40 minutes. And after checking the entire lesson plan, come down here. There is a option called copy option. Just click on this particular copy button and open the any text editor which is available in your laptop or desktop. Here, Microsoft Word, I am opening it and just open a new page and paste it. Your lesson plan will be ready within a duration of 30 to 40 seconds.
So there you have it. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for quickly creating and adapting lesson plans that meet your students' needs and align with standards. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you are ready to try it, head over to ChatGPT and start creating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Tech Tools for Educators for more tips. Comment below with any questions or video ideas. Thanks for watching.